I am happy to introduce the revolutionary app for traders and investors in the markets based on highly accurate, artificially intelligent algorithms from the legend, Alex Vieira, with an uncanny track record since 1989. We are the first to bring real-time AI portfolio analysis, AI bot trading, and AI risk analysis for the iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, and Apple TV. Watch the magic synchronized across your devices. Access highly accurate AI data analysis, and AI bot trade signals in a custom dashboard. Trade, stocks, ETFs, Forex, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. We help you make better decisions by ensuring your most important, accurate, and reliable portfolio analysis is always a glance away. Choose your own portfolio and widgets according to your budget, or go with one of the available artificially intelligent plans. I invite you to enroll in the free course to learn how simple it is, and to learn what no one else can do. You are one step away from dramatically improve your life according to hundreds of legitimate users' reviews. No one can beat you using artificial intelligence in the markets.
Hi Alex here, live on Spotify. As I told you, my call and forecast 100% free. It will be worth $200 million. Here you have the proof of it. There are people applauding here. There is. Here you have the proof of it live on the tape. Massive investment positions. I explained it in detail, the process, not only in the case of Spotify. Today you have new all-time highs in shares of Shopify, a company that I repeated here in the past couple of months 200 times to invest, to buy shares. Every single day, in fact, the company, I'm referring to the team. Having said this, as you can see, since IPO, therefore no risk whatsoever. What others they say about the numbers and blah blah, it does not matter. It never mattered. It is completely irrelevant since we create history. Shopify strong buy since $19, Tesla strong buy since 46, and here you have new all-time highs, while the short sellers, they were killed. So in the end, what you learned here, today you got to $240, so I'm just going to put it here for your reference, not to forget about this. So what did you learn about all this stuff in the past couple of months? Firstly, that we gave you the very top in the markets with 100% accuracy and 100% free. Secondly, that we also called the bottom in the markets 100% accuracy and 100% free. Okay, and then we named the single best companies to invest in, as well as the single best selling short opportunities in the markets. Having said this, you are told on thousands of case studies that you have basically one option. Obviously, you have always two options: or you are in or you are out. This is what you can listen to on every single video. Okay, so or you are in or you are out. You have always an option. If you are out, you remain a slave for the rest of your life, working for your company, the company work for, or better yet, unemployed, or you go to the beach, whatever you want. Number two, the best option, you work in, and by being in, you are a multi-millionaire, retired, you don't have to do anything else because we make things happen. We have been here since 1989, as you were told in 65,000 case studies, 65,000, you see, since 1989. Yes, and while others, they have been talking about market predictions, forecast, and so on, and blah, blah, the markets are going to do this and that. Have you heard ever about, for example, Mr. Warren Buffett investing in Spotify? He does not even know the company, or Shopify, or companies like Okta, and many others. I could name here 100 at least. No, of course not. Of course not. He invested in stuff that crashed. Do you understand the difference? All right. So the reason this rallied, congratulations for you to comprehend, to participate. This is very important. It is by participating, by profiting from that you learn. And I'm going to finalize by saying one thing that is of the utmost importance. So in the past months, what we then accomplished, because in the end this is precisely the goal, is that everyone else, they are now forced to buy shares from us. Okay, so those that didn't want to buy the stock at $140 or $150 or whatever, now they buy at $230. Okay, this is or Shopify at $100 plus, and so on, or Amazon 2,600 and plus, or Apple 350. Stuff like that. Do you understand? So this was precisely the primary goal since the very beginning, is that if you ever now wish to participate, you have to pay the price that we dictate, and because it has been always like this. And Wall Street comprehended precisely the game. You were warned about it. And if you have been gambling the markets in scams like Hertz, that they were bankrupt, or Chesapeake Energy, and so on, you lost everything. That is precisely, again, that was the objective, you understand, because I've been here for years repeating the same about those companies. Okay, and with this I terminate. Thank you very